Hi everyone, this right here is a supercapacitor jump starter. This is a 1000 amp model from OBDMATE, and I got it for about $50 on Amazon. And now let's check it out and see how well it really works. The exterior design is actually quite nice. The jump starter is larger than the lithium ones because capacitors have a much lower energy density. On the side here, there is this rubber panel, and inside there's a USB-C port for charging, as well as this DC connector for the jump leads and a barrel jack charging port. The jump leads come with these pretty high quality feeling plastic coated clamps, but then the connector on the other side just feels cheap and it takes a lot of force to plug it in. Overall, for $50 though, you can't really complain about minor fit and finish issues like this. What's unique about a supercapacitor jump starter is you don't need to keep it charged. Instead, you can connect the clips to your battery, and internal circuitry will boost the low voltage and raise it to enough where you can charge the internal capacitors and then start the car. If your battery's completely dead, you won't be able to charge the jump starter from it, so they also have a USB-C port where you can charge it using a standard USB-C charger. This is a bit slower and it takes about 10 or 20 minutes to achieve a full charge. Now that the jump starter is fully charged, I can test it out using this load tester. This load tester draws 100 amps from the jump starter and it displays the voltage drop on that meter. After the 10-second countdown, the jump starter turns on. Unfortunately, as soon as I turn on the load tester, the voltage drops from about 12 volts to 10 volts in just 3 seconds. A modern high-performance four-cylinder engine requires about 300 amps to start. Unfortunately, because this jump starter provides 3 seconds of power at 100 amps, at 300 amps you'll get less than a second, which isn't enough to start the car. The marketing materials for this jump starter claim that it's got a 120 farad capacitor that can deliver 600 amps of starting current and 1000 amps of peak current. Unfortunately, that just isn't the case. It also says it supports all 12-volt vehicles, including off-road cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. While I guess it can jumpstart a motorcycle or a small economy car, there's no chance it will start a pickup. If you have a small economy car or if your battery's low but not completely dead, this jump starter might be useful. Otherwise, it will only leave you stranded. So yeah, I hope you all found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you all next time.